Welcome to Upmarket Residences San Francisco, where comfort meets convenience in the heart of the city. Choose from a range of affordable non-ensuites and convenient ensuites, each designed with your specific needs in mind. Select units feature bedding, a mini fridge, a room heater, and a functional sink with hot and cold water for added comfort. Enjoy essential amenities like a dedicated workspace, a common kitchen, regular cleaning services, and high-speed Wi-Fi. Plus, all utility bills are included, making life hassle-free. Located near the San Francisco Conservatory of Music and California College of the Arts, this accommodation is perfectly positioned. Grab a bite at the Melt or Pinnacris Diner, just around the corner. With nearby bus stops, including Van Ness Ave and Market Street, and easy subway access via Civic Center UN Plaza Station and Van Ness Station, commuting is effortless. Book your spot at Upmarket Residences San Francisco today at amberstudent.com and experience student living at its best.